of the Supermarine S6.B, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Testors, and this plane eventually became the Spitfire. It's designed by the same person, and it was well known because it won the Schneider Cup. It was one of the fastest planes of the time. It was a float plane. As you can see, I've got the floats here, which have been painted the same colors as the original. It had these large engine cowls, this very small little canopy, and there's our pilot. Had number 7 on there, and then our tail colors, and as you can see, we've had to put some rigging on there. And it's a fairly simple model to build, and not a lot of detail to be able to add. So here are the instructions, some details about the plane. So let's see here. Shows you where to mask off for the painting, as well as the colors needed. Next to put together the wings, paint those, your pilot, you have to paint the exhaust ports. There's the actual plane, and here's the assembly. Everything kind of just goes together. And then the decals, and then rigging. So for my rigging I used cotton thread, but you can also use stretch sprue.